So, with the Q&A, I actually was supposed to be doing that, except you're doing a Dandy's World video at like almost night, yeah. It's about to be night, and I'm gonna record this. So, if I can remember half of the questions, um, actually, I can't even remember the questions. But you know what I do remember? I'll answer some of them and hey, ooh, let me join. Is she Danny's run? I don't really join because of, people. So join. I'll join this one. So the only questions I do remember is what's my favorite color? And I can't remember the user. So what's my favorite color? My favorite colors are red, orange, yellow, gold, and black. My favorite colors, to be honest. And what inspired me by Sugar Puffs is what I actually remember, which is kind of funny. So, who inspired me were Rib Cage, this YouTuber, and this Max. I don't know, I'm calling them Max because I honestly forgot the four other names. But I will put them up on the screen. And Neptune, Deer Pumpkin, y'all Twinos? Yeah, Twinos? Yeah. I'm gonna put you all on the screen. I'm gonna try to. And oh my god, I can't remember the other questions. These are like the only questions I remember. Oh my god. I don't remember. Actually, I'm gonna search them up real quickly. So let me just pause it. So I was looking for the other phone. Because if you don't know, go check out this channel because I put a lot of effort in it. And I was looking for that so I could look at the questions. But I couldn't actually find it out. So I'm not really recording much because, well, I can't really actually record that much. Because, I only have 12 of this. And, oh my god, I'm really gonna actually try to find another phone. Actually, pause. I'm pausing again. So, I never found the phone I was looking for, so... Oh my god! I suck at the skill check, bro. Maybe? Give me a ribbon. Gotta run. Cause I'm lagging. Why am I lagging? Why are you opening that? I'm not healing anymore cause I ain't got tapes. We got another healer, so that's good. Come on guys. Get in this elevator. They're taking forever. Okay. This is all we have left. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's do coverage because y'all kind of need that. Ribbon? I don't know. I'm gonna pause it again because there's really nothing interesting. When I can. It's a blackout and I don't know if I'm gonna survive, to be honest. Because I really suck at blackouts. I'm trying to see the cup, so. My ass straps box, right? Champ. I don't know what y'all doing over there. Is there a machine over there? Oh my lord. You gotta be kidding me. I don't have enough tapes for this. I'm sorry guys, but this is gonna be a short run. I really want to get Dio. Am I really gonna have to do solo? Cosmo, Lee, I don't have any heals. Oh my god. Shrimper. Boxed and shrimper. Alright, y'all, I'm so cooked. I can literally see that you're over here dying, but I can't really help you. Should I distract him like it? Uh-oh, I know. Did I accident in grief? Wait. Who died? Oh my god. I knew it would come to an end. Alright, I got 75 tapes. I can almost use them. If oh my god. You got this, guys. You can't do it. It's fine. I got you. I got you, gang. Oh my god, if I fail this, I'm cooked. Oh my god, I didn't fail it. I know. I don't know where this twist is at. Leave me alone. Hopefully, I don't have the twist now. I know. Oh no, did I accidentally lead? Oh no. Watch out. I need to leave. I don't think you can. Alright. I'm being so useless right now. I know. I'm being so useless because I don't have any tape. Oh, jeez. Ay, leave me alone. Alright, oh no, I'm failing my team. This is like the only member I have left. And I'm failing them. Because I won't have enough for a heal. Oh my god, stop. Didn't give you consent. Leave me alone. We're gonna do a little circle. You're not on me. Please. Oh my god. I wonder if I get snack break. I wonder if we get something for this Louie. You know here? You want here? I don't know, I think they're trying to say C, like in Spanish. If not, I'm cooked. Alright, I better not have accidentally wasted. Alright, this is a thank you. Oh my god, I'm so laggy. I'm actually a survivalist, kind of. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do well at all. Aha! Or we have scraps. Scraps is the worst. La. You don't see me. I'm just a figment of your imagination. Something tells me this run's about to end. Air horn. Ooh. I got this. I don't got this, but I don't. Ooh, right now. I'm trying. Uh-oh, guys. I'm leaving. Let me run. I'm gonna run away. See, I can dodge shrimp, because shrimp is slowish. Yeah, slowish. I'd say that. Okay. It all ends up on me if I don't finish. Oh my god, the pressure's on me. I'm gonna pause right here. So, I might have heard them die, so, guess this on my own. Oh, damn. Chat, cuss. No cussing allowed, guys. Why am I being so loud, bro? It's either night. Did I not just tell y'all that? It's nighttime. About to be nighttime. It's like evening right now. Like, I don't know, 7 or 8 p.m. Got that Chicago timeline. That's not where I live, but I kind of got that timeline. Because I can't remember what time it is. I think it's 7, right? 7 p.m.? Probably. Oh my god, do I have to do solo? I got one heart. One heart, chat. One heart. And I got scraps. That's what I remember. And I didn't finish the other one. Somebody help. Sprout, you're taking time. Taking your sweet time. Hurry up. You've got this. Believe in yourself. Well, I actually don't, because this one is the skill check that I for sure can fail any day. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We got this, we got this. Come on, come on, come on. Whew. I got it. I nailed it. Who knew? I almost failed that. I almost failed that. Listen, I'm not very good at this glitching. I get my butt into that. No, 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 no. Oh my god, luck is on my side. Luck is on my side. Blow it. Run, run. Oh. Luck is on my side. Luck is on my side. Okay, I'm doing this one. And then I'll see y'all later. Ada! Oh wait, I have a... No, I'm just gonna end the video here.